Hello there, and welcome to another one of these 1 minute English Lexical Lab videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Some of you may have seen the orange one this week, ranting and raving on social media in classic man-baby style, whining about the fact that he's not going to be offered a Nobel Peace Prize anytime soon. He seems to believe that this is because they only award those things to liberals, whereas in fact it's because they only award those things to people who've helped bring about peace generally. Anyway, I heard on the radio earlier a commentator speaking about Trump's desire for a Nobel Peace Prize, and they said it's an award that he's been hankering after for years. If you hanker after something, or hanker for, you see both prepositions used. You basically really want this thing. You have a strong desire for this thing over an extended period of time. And it's often something that you can't or shouldn't have. It's also often used, as you'll see in the examples, in the present perfect continuous. So maybe if you're a prisoner and you're stuck in jail, you hanker after home-cooked food, or you hanker for your own bed. If it's Christmas or someone's birthday coming up, you might decide to buy your partner the handbag or the gadget or the tablet or something that they've been hankering after. Maybe you went to Japan last year, and ever since your return, you've been hankering for sushi. And maybe, if you're a student and all of your exams have just finished, it's that time of year after all, you and your friends might be hankering for a big night out on the town. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use hanker after or hanker for.